Welcome to your Homeownership Hub. This is your central place to manage everything related to owning your home, from tracking your value to doing maintenance and making improvements. In the next minute, you'll learn how your hub will make home ownership easy and collaborative. On the dashboard, you'll find reminders for common household maintenance. By staying on top of these things, you'll reduce your home ownership expenses and help the value of your home grow. We'll send you a reminder of what's due each month, and you can also sync with your calendar so you don't miss a thing. On your finances page, you'll see your current home value estimate, mortgage balance, and equity, how much money you've got in your home. Stay in the know with what's happening in the market in your area. Discover ways to save money on your current mortgage or shop for a new loan right here in your hub. Curious what you could do with the cash in your home? You'll find suggestions for improvements as well. And when you're ready to start a project, qualified providers are a click away. Need a place to store home-related documents and information? Your Home Ownership Hub is a secure place to keep track of the important stuff, so it's ready when you need it, from closing docs and warranty information to paint swatches and appliance manuals. Need help maintaining your home or fixing it up? You'll find recommended options in home services and can request service without ever leaving your hub. The Nearby Homes section displays recently sold homes in your neighborhood, plus current listings as well. You can set up searches and get alerts when new homes hit the market. The best part is your real estate agent or loan officer are a click away if you have questions or need help. So what are you waiting for? Click Get Started to confirm your home details and check out the first few tasks on your dashboard today.